Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Imagine a car so advanced, so luxurious, that even today it feels like something from the future. This is the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham, a hand-built masterpiece that redefined American luxury. Stay with me, because this isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of history. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior, and trust me, it's absolutely stunning. The 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham features a sleek, pillarless hardtop design, giving it a futuristic, open look even when the windows are up. One of its most iconic features is the rear-hinged suicide doors, which add both elegance and drama. The car sits low and wide, emphasizing luxury and presence. You'll notice the brushed stainless steel roof, not painted, but actual metal, giving it a unique and premium finish. Those tailfins? Classic 1950s Cadillac styling, bold, sharp, and unmistakable. And of course, the quad headlights and heavy chrome detailing scream prestige from every angle. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you're entering a world of unmatched luxury, especially for 1957. The interior of the Eldorado Brougham was ahead of its time. It came with power seats, memory seat function, automatic door locks, and even a transistor radio, which was incredibly rare back then. Materials? Only the finest. You get deep pile carpeting, brushed aluminum panels, and premium leather upholstery. But here's where it gets truly unique. Cadillac even included a built-in vanity kit with items like perfume, lipstick holder, and a cigarette case. Yes, this car came with accessories like a luxury hotel suite. Gear performance and engineering. Now let's talk performance, because this beauty wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, the 1957 Eldorado Brougham featured a powerful 365 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 325 horsepower. It was paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless cruising, exactly what you'd expect from a luxury car. But the real innovation? This car introduced air suspension, making the ride incredibly smooth. Although it had some reliability issues, it was a groundbreaking feature at the time. With power steering, power brakes, and advanced engineering, driving this Cadillac felt like gliding on air, money bag price and exclusivity. Now here's the shocking part, the price. In 1957, the Eldorado Brougham cost around $13,000, which was more expensive than a Rolls-Royce at the time. And because of that, only about 400 units were ever produced, making it extremely rare and highly collectible today. Conclusion. So, what makes the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham so special? It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A bold vision of the future, packed with innovations that were decades ahead of its time. From its futuristic design to its luxurious interior and advanced technology, this Cadillac remains one of the most iconic luxury cars ever built. If you love classic cars, this one is truly in a league of its own. Bell outro, call to action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing classic car content.